Pool area is an important part of your outdoor space as it can be a versatile and family-friendly place to gather and enjoy the time under the sun. Whoever has a simple pool without extra features should watch this little video on how to add a cute thing to favorite spot by your house. I picked up this item on Amazon and it's called Pool Waterfall Spray Pound Fountain, which is just a bunch of water-related words to help in searches, and it's from the brand Zirconi. Every pool has return inlets or return jets. That's where the water comes from, getting recirculated through the filter. Choose the one you want to hook your little fountain to. First and foremost, shut off the pump. Unscrew the eyeball ring of your return inlet and remove everything, including the eyeball base. You got 3 pieces in the box that are pretty easy to put together. Unscrew the little cap, which is an optional accessory from one of the pieces, the thickest one, so you can expose threads and you will see it's the same fitting as on the eyeball ring face. Connect another thin part. Make sure you adjust rubber gasket properly. Screw fountain to your return inlet and add small final part to it. Next, you turn your pump on to see the results, but it's not over yet. Here's an important thing if you want to regulate the flow. You do it by turning the ring of the base pipe of fountain. If you want better circulation of the water in the pool, for example, while really taking care of cleaning on filter mode, have the ring mostly open, so the water will be getting blown from there. You're gonna have weak fountain flow, but nice soothing sound. If you want good high splash in your pool, creating small rainfall a couple of feet high, turn the ring entirely, closing the fountain pipe. You can also adjust the flow in any direction by moving the connecting pieces. Add this little fountain to your swimming pool and enjoy your perfect backyard ambience when you sit back and relax outside.